Hello, all you chiropractors and chiropractic students. We have a special treat for you today. My name is Mel, and this is my wonderful friend Ben, and we are coming at you from Minnesota, way up in the north. And before we start our special song for you today, I just have to give a shout out to my girl and fellow chiropractic student, Mackenzie Hubert, the original creator of this beautiful, wonderful song that I encourage all of you to sing along with. So after this, please subscribe to Mackenzie Hubert on YouTube. She has fun videos about chiropractic. No matter who you are, whether you're a chiropractic student, a chiropractor, or just a random person off the street, I encourage you all to sing along because I guarantee you're going to learn something. I practice chiropractic on a rack and crack. But I got your back. I practice chiropractic on a rack and crack. But I got your back. Your body's amazing in so many ways. If I named all its functions, I would be here for days. More complicated than your advanced technology, your anatomy, chemistry, and physiology. It's your nervous system that keeps it all connected. If something happens to your spine, everything's affected. Everybody has a body, yeah, and we can take care of it. Chiropractic is for everybody, yeah. Are you feeling it? Some people think that they should only come for pain or the back of their neck, but we're working with your brain, which reaches through your nerves to control your every function, from walking, talking, sleeping, breathing, and your reproduction. And since your brain runs all your body and perception, if you had a problem, I think you want correction. It'll lead to trouble if your spine's not moving well. So go see a chiropractor, cause only they can tell. I practice chiropractic on a rack and crack. But I got your back. I practice chiropractic on a rack and crack. But I got your back. Everybody has a body, yeah, and we can take care of it. Chiropractic is for everybody, yeah. Are you feeling it? I'm a chiropractor, so you know you're in good hands. We are a profession that really understands that when you have a problem, you must correct its cause and not chase after symptoms. One of medicine's faux pas. I like modalities and treat so many maladies. When patients come into my office, there are no fatalities. I checked the red flags and did full MRS testing. And now you're on my table getting heat while you are resting. We'll talk nutrition, what you're missing, how to get it, spend a while on lifestyle, and things you need to edit. Some may be bitter, I consider myself your holistic doc, but while they're stressing, I'm impressing, while all these patients flock. I practice chiropractic on a rack and crack. But I got your back. I practice chiropractic on a rack and crack. But I got your back. Go see a chiropractor!